When you work with a company like Vitra, you never stop to learn. Step by step, you grow with experience.
So ACX is really building on all the know-how that has been built over the years in the collaboration with Antonio Citterio.
10 office chairs in the last 40 years.
Starting with the AC1 back in the 80s and now following throughout the years with many different models. The expectations to a task chair has changed a lot over the years. With hybrid work and non-territorial seating becoming more and more the norm, it's important that the chair can fulfill the needs of various users throughout the day. And I think that's what we really achieved with the ACX family, with the light, the soft, and also the mesh version. One of the really exciting things about the ACX chair is that it's based on an automatic mechanism, which means that it adjusts automatically to your body weight.
If you are 100 kilos or 50 kilos, the chair adapts to you and immediately you feel comfort.
In the ACX chair, we tried to reduce the number of components and also the number of material used. Making it easy to maintain, service and recycle is to the benefit of the user and at the end also for the planet. In all products that we develop, sustainability is top of mind. So ACX is up to 100% recyclable and consists of up to around 60% recycled materials depending on the model. It's really the result of decades of developing task chairs at Vitra, combined with Antonio Citterio's visionary design process. It's been a really, really good example of a strong teamwork, and now it's time for ACX to get out there and support teamwork around the world.